Welcome. My name is Luca Gelsomino. I'm the director of the SCF community, and I'm here to present one of the entries to this year 2023 Supply Chain Finance Global Awards.
Well, my name is Ignacio, and I belong to the Treasury Department, Corporate Treasury Department of Cepsa, and well, Paula is in my team, and
Yes.
And she belongs as well to the Treasury Department.
Hi, so my name is Sergio. I'm globally responsible for origination and structuring at Supply Chain Finance, and working with Cepsa since the beginning in the structuring of this complex and very enthusiastic operation.
Improving the working capital is a key factor for Cepsa Group, and we are also focused on improving our relationships with our providers. So the product that Santander offered us, Cash Now, matches both keys at the same point, at the same time. It's helping us with our supply chain finance, and at the same time is reinforcing our relationship with our suppliers.
Throughout the process, we defined the main objectives and the scope of the project, identified all the possible risks that could come up during the implementation, and manage effectively all the teams involved. This implied defining the how and the when, that is to say, how we wanted the project to be implemented and when we wanted the project to be implemented, in order to carefully plan the transfer from the old platform to the new one. We reckon that one of the main challenges here was to engage our suppliers and explain them what was the new digital platform was about and how they could take advantage from. Also to ensure that the data integration and minimize downtime during the process. Hence, here key success factors were the coordination and communication, not only between the treasury area and the bank, but also with the IT department, in order to ensure that everything runs smoothly in terms of connectivity, security, and performance, and with the business units, so they were aware of the project and they were on board with the migration plan.
Part of the scope of the global, so the Cepsa buying entities that they were part of the RFP process, there are plus 10 countries in terms of the buying entities identified, and therefore the expansion or the ambition that the program at some point had, right? It is really appealing to see an oil and gas company really reaching out to a not purely Spain, but as well elsewhere, right? Which is something unique that we see in the market.
There was not only from Cepsa Group, but also from the bank side. From the bank side, there was a lot of teams involved. So here, in order to achieve all the objectives we defined at the very beginning successfully, we need to first have a clear communication of what would needed to be achieved, what are the tasks that each area was needed to be performed in order to successfully achieve the implementation and to reach a new digital platform. For that, also key was coordination between all of them, to be all the teams aligned and finally get what we wanted to.
So my part of the project was mainly through the origination and the structuring, together with Cepsa, right? Trying to understand their needs, their objectives, and sort of identifying what Santander is able to already provide to them, but as well to develop any specific needs in order to accomplish their objectives, right? So that was very my objectives and my role within the deal team. And then afterwards to the implementation, my role has always been in terms of escalation. So what Nacho and Ignacio and Paula were mentioning, right? To understand that all the parties are coordinated as well means that from Santander's perspective, all the teams needs to be coordinated. And that goes beyond the sales or the product teams, but as well in terms of legal, IT, operations, compliance, so on and so forth, right? So in order to deploy a smooth, but as well very large program, you need to hold hands among all of us.
All of the feedbacks we have received from our suppliers are very good. So they like this platform and they feel comfortable using it. So and the look and feel, it's a key factor for to make this available.
I think one of the things that we missed, it is the ambition that Cepsa always had in order to identify a solution which covers beyond SCF, right? So they were really
Okay.
eager to look for a multi-bank, fully white label platform capability, which Cepsa may be willing to use their own funds through the dynamic discounting scheme, or as well offer purchase order finance through suppliers, which all those
Okay.
items really put into a business case which is beyond what they were previously offering to their supplier.